sophisticated and laid back. These are the two primary differences of European and American fashion brands.
Cultural differences largely influence the way people dress or choose how they construct their wardrobes. People who come from different countries and different regions are likely to also dress or buy accessories like bags differently according to their upbringing, financial situation, or their surroundings. In perspective, European fashion style is typically more sophisticated and well thought out. People like to dress nicely and often wear custom-tailored or well-fitted clothing no matter where they're going. They also follow certain dress codes, social expectations, and etiquette in public places to avoid standing out too much from the crowd. Europeans are more drawn to high-end designer labels. Given how the Europeans gave the world such lavish sets of prominent brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, and the rest of the big names in fashion today, says so much about their premium style in general. American fashion, on the other hand, tends to be more laid back. In recent years, it's become more socially and culturally acceptable for people to don active wear in public. This includes sweatpants, yoga pants, hoodies, running shoes, sandals, sweatshirts, and the likes. Though most of American luxury lines carry a bit of similarities and inspirations from the European retrospective, ideally, American brands are a smart mix of both. Brands like Levi's, Ralph Lauren, Nike, Coach, Tommy Hilfiger are among their greatest contributions to the world.